Hi, I want to introduce the next topic, which is applying the supply and demand model. So we're going to talk about use supply and demand, of course, and allow that to help us analyze, for example, the shapes of supply and demand, how steep or flat these supply and demand curves matter, and we'll explain why they matter in this module. We'll also talk about the sensitivity of quantity demanded to price changes. And there's a term we call this. This is the price elasticity of demand. We'll talk at great length about this price elasticity of demand. We'll also examine how sensitive quantity supplied is to price. And the term we'll use for this is the price elasticity of supply. And we'll talk about the difference between the long run and short run, because these price sensitivities change in the short run versus long run. So they're different. And one of the more challenging topics in this module is the impact of a sales tax. So we'll talk about how that impacts buyers, how that impacts sellers, how it impacts the government, how it impacts overall consumer and society's well-being, welfare measures on this tax impact. So a lot of good stuff in this chapter, a lot of nuts and bolts of economics here, supply and demand, and at great length we'll use supply and demand to help us throughout this entire module. So I'm glad you're here. Good luck with the content, and off we go. We have quite a few videos in this module, so enjoy.